I think that in Microsoft, probably a really good time to potentially be picking up some shares if you want to have long exposure. Was trading below its moving average and is uptrending from now. Solid support here, and we are in an uptrend. So we'll see if that continues. Let's look at a trade idea that gives us some long exposure. August 23rd, typically what I'm looking at, if I want to get just slightly long, I will sell a 60 delta in the money short call, because there's lots of premium in here. The extrinsic value decay on this is about 1% weekly. And then what I can do is I can just go out. Maybe if I wanted a long position, I would go out to January 16th of 2026. So we're looking at 521 days. And I might consider buying a 70 delta. This is a setup that gives me a positive delta. So it's the same as buying about 10 shares of stock, except it's a little bit cheaper. Instead of me having to spend 41,000, I get this exposure for 6,800. What does this profit profile look like? And on the short duration, it doesn't look like much. But over time, we actually have a slightly long delta. So if it goes screaming upwards, we don't make a ton and we can actually lose on it. But the idea would be that we would be rolling this 410 call up in time.